Hey everyone, it's Nancy and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be showing you all of the products that you're going to be able to purchase on June 3rd at my car at Willowbrook Mall. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot freaking wait. And also for the people that cannot go to Willowbrook Mall or don't happen to live in Houston, or Willowbrook Mall is like a little far, do not worry. You can also purchase all of these things online. You guys, I'm super excited to show you every single product. Every single product is amazing quality and I cannot wait for you guys to just to get your hands on them too. As always, before I do get started, I do want to say thank you so much to every single person from the bottom of my heart that helped support Gleam Lashes on the reveal day. Thank you guys so freaking much. You guys seriously blew my mind. I had no idea, I had no clue that so many people would actually be supporting. Even people that I didn't even expect to support me are supporting me. So thank you so fucking much. Everything means a lot. Every comment, every like, every retweet, every share, every subscribe, every view, everything counts, guys. Thank you guys so much. I really do hope that once you're able to get your hands on Gleam Lashes, you're able to freaking love it and enjoy it just as much as I do. And I cannot wait. I cannot wait for the opening day, June 3rd. I am so ready for you, and I hope that you guys are too. Also, I know that it hasn't happened yet, but I do want to say thank you so much in advance to all of the people that are actually going to be going out on June 3rd to help support the grand opening of my cards. You guys are amazing. I cannot wait to meet every single one of you. I cannot wait to see you guys, seriously. So with all of that being said, I cannot wait to show you the products, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so Gleam Lashes kind of speaks for itself. I definitely am going to be selling lashes, and I'm also going to be selling a couple of other little nice things for you guys. So if you saw my other video, you guys already saw the box. So this is what the box looks like for those of you that haven't seen it. And it's all black. It does have the silver Gleam Lashes here. Wait till you guys see when I open it. Oh my god, so freaking beautiful. Look at how beautiful that shines, how bright and amazing this is. I love it. So this style right here is Gleam. As I mentioned in the other video, I am going to be having 3 styles to start off with. I definitely cannot wait to work on other things, and definitely cannot wait to start adding more styles for different occasions and stuff. So please be patient with me, and I hope that you guys are able to, you know, be there throughout all the journey. And so, all right, moving on to the lashes. So this is the style Gleam. I absolutely love these lashes. These lashes are super beautiful, super wispy, very long. I believe that these lashes would look very freaking beautiful for a very special event, kind of like a quinceañera or a wedding. Oh my god, especially a wedding. These would be so beautiful. I love them. You can definitely tell that they're very wispy, very curly. Whenever you have them on, they just look flawless. They look amazing. This style right here does have a short inner corner, and it does go to a longer outer corner. These are a little bit more naturally lashes. I mean, if you want to call it natural for my dramatic babies here, you know, these are very natural to me because I love wearing things over the top, over the ordinary. So the next style is Stormy, and oh my god, guys, I freaking love these. These are kind of like my signature style. I swear to god, ever since I started working on Gleam Lashes, these right here have been my #1 go-to, and they're also the best sellers online. I seriously wear them out all the time, anywhere I'm at, no matter what makeup look, dramatic, subtle makeup look, you know, I'm wearing these. So these lashes right here have a short inner and outer corner, and then they are longer in the center. I kind of feel like my natural lashes kind of look like that. They're kind of like short in the inner and outer corner, and then they are long in the center. So I feel like that's why I love them so much, because they kind of just complement my eye shape so well. So for the babies that have the same lash style, you guys are definitely gonna love these. The last lash style that I have for you guys is called Daphne, and this right here is what Daphne looks like. So freaking beautiful too. I love them all, guys. So this lash style right here is very dramatic. This lash style with a very smoky black makeup look, this lash style is perfect for it. So these lashes right here go from a shorter inner corner to a longer outer corner, kind of like Gleam, but they're very different from Gleam. So the style Gleam are very wispy, and these right here are not wispy whatsoever. They are very curly, I will give them that, but these are fuller, very dramatic, and like I said, these would look wonderful with a very black smoky eye, or if if you're wearing a very just dramatic eye look, I think that they would just be perfect. Each of these lash styles are going to be retailing for $14.99 each. You are definitely going to go ahead and get your money's worth out of all of these lashes. All of these lashes, you can use them up to 15 to 20 times. I do love to mention that because I've noticed that some people buy lashes and then they just dispose of them the very first time that they use them. These lashes right here are mink lashes. The band of the lashes is very sturdy but very comfortable to wear at the same time. They don't tear very easily, so you're definitely gonna get your 15 to 20 use out of these lashes. I personally have worn one pair of lashes up to 15 to 20 times and they have looked absolutely freaking perfect. And of course guys, I will always have sales for you on special occasions. I will always have deals for you guys. Now that you guys saw the amazing lashes, let's move on to the other goodies. Okay guys, are you ready? I don't think you're ready. I do not think you're ready. Okay, let me go ahead and show you. Alright, so this right here is another thing that I'm going to be selling. I am going to be selling 3 different tools to help put on your lashes. If you just didn't die looking at this freaking packaging as soon as you saw it, oh my god, like it's so beautiful. It's all rose gold. It's a little hard to see right now because of the light, but oh my god, right there, it looks beautiful. Everything is rose gold. The tool is rose gold. It has gleam lashes right here, and in the back it does have the social media and the website just in case you want to go ahead and check us out. I'm pretty sure you already checked us out, but you can go ahead and try it again. And oh, I cannot wait to show you the tool. So this right here is one of the tools that I'm going to be selling at the cart and online as well. So there's different ways that you can use this tool. There's different ways that I use it. One of the ways that I love using this tool is, first of all, to take the lashes out. Instead of actually pulling on the hair with your fingers and messing up the lashes, you can definitely just use this tool. It's very light, so it's not going to harm the lashes, and you can really just get into that inner corner and just pull the lashes off. Obviously, I don't want to pull the lashes off right now because these are new and I don't want to ruin them, but yeah, you can just go like that and then just like strip them off. Going to be so easy. I actually keep 2 of these tools in my vanity because, first of all, like I told you, I do take the lashes out with the tool, and this tool actually is very good for whenever you're going to put your lash on. So pretend this is a mirror and you're going to put the lash on. They are perfect. They sit the false lash on your regular lash very nicely, and then you can just use the tool to kind of like push in the inner and outer corners so they can stick on. Another reason, and the reason why I keep 2 of these tools in my vanity, is because I use the second tool to actually press the lashes, my normal lashes and my false lashes, down together. So I love this tool. As you saw right now, it's very easy to just go ahead and do it without a mirror. So you're never going to have that problem where your lash looks like it's not really on your eye right. This lash tool is very sturdy, stainless steel, and it does have the logo gleam right here on this part of the tool. I'm not sure if you guys have seen these before, but most of the people like to put their logo right here, which I personally didn't want because this part is the part that gets used the most often, and after time with wear and tear, things start, you know, rubbing off. So I definitely wanted the logo to stay on for as long as you have this tool, because I want you guys to know that this product is 100% amazing, and you will always remember that this tool right here, this product right here, is Gleam Lashes, and it's great quality. Moving on to the second thing that you are able to purchase in Gleam Lashes is this right here. Oh my god, the packaging again, it's all the same, super freaking bright and beautiful and shiny. So I chose this packaging because the word gleam means reflect brightly, especially on like very bright light, and that's exactly what this does right here. It reflects very brightly. It's super eye-catching, super bright, super stunning. So these right here are scissors that you're gonna be able to use to cut your freaking lashes. So literally guys, I'm providing everything that you're gonna have to need to put on your false lashes. So I didn't mention it with the other tool, but it does have a little flap right here, so it's not gonna make it hard to like come out. You literally just open the flap and then it slides right out. And this right here are the scissors. Super beautiful, rose gold, very sturdy. All of the things that I'm showing you are stainless steel and are amazing quality. So you're just going to be able to snip your lashes to make them to the right length of your eye. You're going to be able to have poppin' lashes, you know? Another way that you can use these scissors is if you happen to do your eyebrows at home, you know, with the spoolie, you can just pull them up and then you can just snip. Definitely need these in your life. I cannot wait for you guys to add everything to your freaking beauty routine. All right, are you guys ready? ready for the last one? Okay, so this right here is an eyelash curler. So you guys are going to be able to purchase an eyelash curler as well. And again, same packaging, same bag. So this lash curler is actually very different from all the normal lash curlers that they sell at the stores. So I will go ahead and put a side-by-side comparison to the other styles that I'm talking about. But I absolutely love this style because of very many different reasons actually. It is going to have a little plastic kind of holding it together. You can choose to keep this plastic. You can choose to, you know, just throw it away, whatever you want. I actually like to keep the plastic because it keeps them kind of firm and it helps them not, you know, loosen up after time. So you just press it in and then you remove this plastic. So guys, the thing that makes these lash curlers different from the other ones is the space in between that you have to actually put your lashes in. The other lash curlers kind of have a tiny bit of space, so I usually find myself struggling to like put them in, but this one right here actually leaves enough room for you to just literally go like that and they're already in. This curls my natural lashes so beautifully and they look super long. Like I said, since it has lots of room to actually like put your lashes in, you're able to actually get to the root of your natural lashes and you're gonna be able to curl. And I cannot wait for you guys to love this product just as much as I love this product. So both the scissors and the lash applicator are going to be retailing for $10 each, which if you guys have seen and tried to shop these things before in Sephora or other places, they are very, very expensive. So you're getting such a bargain deal with these, and you're going to be able to purchase the lash curler for $14. I cannot stress this enough. All of these products are at a great, amazing price, so you should definitely go ahead and get your hands on them as soon as you can. And if you absolutely want to buy all of these products all at once on the same day, you can get all of these 3 products for $30 all together. Yes, you heard right. Instead of $34, you can get a deal if you take them all at the same time for $30. So girls, you're welcome because you definitely need to have these in your beauty routine every single day. Okay guys, so if you saw the picture that I posted on the day that I revealed Gleam lashes going to Willowbrook, you obviously saw that I was holding the lashes, and on the other hand I was holding some brushes. And if you happen to actually zoom in into the picture, I'm not sure if some of you guys actually did that, but if you happen to zoom in, you see that on the brushes it says Gleam. So yes guys, you will be able to purchase brushes in the cards. Oh my god guys, these brushes are such amazing quality. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on these. I think I've been saying that with everything, but seriously everything. I made sure that I personally would have it in my house, in my vanity. I personally made sure that I would spend my money on these things, and definitely all of them are approved. So this is what the brushes look like. They are all white, very beautiful soft bristles, and I did try to match the metal as much as possible to the tools. Unfortunately I was not able to get the color exact, but it's kind of close. This is kind of more like a goldish color with a hint of pink. The other ones are pure rose gold. So guys, this set right here has 12 brushes. It has 4 face brushes and 8 eye brushes, and oh my god guys, let me show you. This quality is amazing. So I know that each person has kind of like their little kick to every brush and what they use it for. On the website it is going to say what each brush is going to be for, but you're more than welcome to go ahead and use it for whatever it's like. So this brush right here, I would personally use it as like a blush brush, and this one I would probably use to like dust off my powder. You are gonna get 4 different face brushes, and you are more than welcome to use them for whatever you like. But if you definitely want to know for what each brush is going to be for, they are definitely going to be on the website, so you can definitely check that out. For the eye brushes, you have your pencil brush, you have your crease brush, you have your blending brush. Seriously guys, everything that you're going to need to do your makeup, you are going to have it in this brush set right here. And lastly, okay, you are not ready. Lastly, you will be able to purchase this set of brushes. Oh my god, I love them so much. These brushes right here are so soft, so beautiful, so incredible. I cannot wait for you guys to get these in your hands and play with them. I cannot wait to see all your makeup looks. I cannot wait to show you guys makeup looks with these brushes right here. So this brush set does have 10 brushes. You do get 5 face brushes and you get 5 eye brushes. Oh my god, like you can tell this right here is super freaking soft. I would definitely use this for powder. You can definitely use this for your foundation. You can use this one right here for your powder contour, going to leave you very snatched. You can even use this for your nose contour and for the eye brushes guys. They're super soft, very beautiful. This one right here would be very great for a crease brush. This one right here for a blending brush, and then you have your liner brush and your flat brush. Both of these babies right here are going to be retailing for $30. Yes guys, you heard right, $30 each. And if that is not a freaking deal, I don't know what is, because you guys know that a set of 12 brushes or a set of 10 brushes is very expensive, and I did want to make both of them the same price because I kind of want you guys to be the judge of which one should I get. Should I get more face brushes? Should I get more eye brushes? Whichever you want to get is your call, same price, because they're both very great, amazing quality, and it's kind of just up to you guys what you want to buy. So you are going to get your money's worth out of both of these brush sets as well. They're very amazing quality, very luxurious, and for the amount of brushes that comes for the price is very reasonable. I do want to say that these brushes will not be able for purchase at the cart or online up until the second week that I actually have the cart up. So if you really want to buy some brushes, wait on the second week. I cannot wait to see every single one of you. Well guys, what did you think? Please let me know down below in the comments. I cannot wait for every single one of you to get your hands on all of these products. As I mentioned throughout the whole video, I absolutely loved every single one of these products. I'm sure you already heard enough of it, and I made sure, guys, I really made sure that every single product that I put out there is specifically a product that I would personally spend my money on and I would personally buy. So all of these things have been approved by me. Everything is great and amazing quality, and I cannot wait to see all the great amazing looks and the great amazing pictures, videos. Thank you so much for all of the love and support once again. I cannot wait to see you guys at the cart. I cannot wait to start selling all of these things. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit the notifications button, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video.